Nihongo Particles Part 4. Let's go! For our English explanation,
Next, let's talk about particle no. In English, particle no can be translated as of. Particle no is used to connect two nouns. The two nouns connected is called modified noun. For the simplest explanation, particle no is used for ownership. To modify nouns, we're going to use this pattern, wherein noun 1 is the owner of noun 2, and we use particle no to connect the two nouns. Let's give an example from English to Nihongo. In English, researcher of IMC. In Nihongo, IMC no kenkyo siya. In this example, the IMC is taking ownership of the researcher. The researcher is making his research for IMC. Another example, in English, bank employee of BDO. In Nihongo, BDO no ginko-in. In this example, the BDO is taking ownership of the ginko-in, which means the ginko-in is working for BDO. For sentence construction, we are going to use this pattern. The topic, followed by particle wa, followed by modified noun, followed by des for formality. For example, Kimura-san wa Sakura Daigaku no sensei desu. In this example, our topic is Kimura-san. So, Sakura Daigaku is taking ownership of Kimura-san's job, which is being a sensei.
for our Taglish explanation,
Next, pag-usapan natin yung particle no. Particle no, isa rin to sa pinakamadaling particles sa Nihongo. So, para saan? At paano ba gamitin ang particle no? So, ang particle no, minasang ay ginagamit sa ownership or pang-aangkin. Katulad ng pang-aangkin mo sa kanya kahit hindi naman kayo. So, yung particle no in English minasang is pwedeng ma-translate as of. So, yung particle no, ginagamit na natin siya para i-connect yung two nouns. Yung two nouns na yon ay called modified noun. So, sa pag-modify ng noun, ito yung pattern na gagamitin natin. Kung saan yung noun 1 is pagmamay-ari niya yung noun 2 or sa kanya yung noun 2. Ginagamit natin yung particle no para i-connect yung dalawang noun. So, magbigay tayo ng example from English to Nihongo. So, sa English, researcher of IMC. Sa Nihongo, IMC no kenkyo siya. So, sa example natin na yon, si IMC ang may-ari ng researcher dahil si researcher ay nagtatrabaho para sa IMC. So, lahat ng re-research ni researcher ay para sa IMC. Kaya, pag may-ari ni IMC, si researcher. Isa pa, BDO no ginko-in. Sa English ay bank employee of BDO. So, sa example natin to, pagmamay-ari ni BDO, yung bank employee. Dahil si bank employee ay nagtatrabaho sa BDO. Para naman sa isang buong sentence, ito yung pattern na gagamitin natin. Topic, followed by particle wa, followed by modified noun, then des sa dulo for formality. Example natin, Kimura-san wa Sakura Daigaku no sensei desu. So dito, yung topic natin is si Kimura-san. Si Kimura-san yung pinag-uusapan natin. Then followed by particle wa. And then yung ating modified noun. Yung modified noun natin, yung Sakura Daigaku no sensei. Which means si Kimura-san ay isang teacher o sensei sa Sakura Daigaku. Tinetake ownership ng Sakura Daigaku yung posisyon ni Kimura-san as sensei.
then bago natin end yung video, maraming salamat nga pala sa ating 5K followers dito sa Facebook. Salamat po sa inyong suporta, minasang. Salamat sa pagtitiwala nyo para ma-share ko sa inyo yung konting knowledge ko.
Follow for more!